Got sensor failure on raypak 266A heater, do I need to replace sensor?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Last week when I decided to heat up pool.
Did you double-check the thermostat settings? And what about the filters?
Not sure what you mean. Doulbe, click temp settings. Backup, wash the sand filter.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I reset the computer and reprogrammed it.
The sensor failure indicates an issue with the thermistor. Before replacing thermistor, the manufacturer recommend verifying it is out of range. Chart below shows proper range. If it is indeed out of range, replace. If not, board is not reading properly and will need to be replaced.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.